Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning artificial intelligence chat GPT. In this lecture you learn about how login and verify your email address. When you verify your email address, after it they ask enter your first name and last name. I have entered my first name and last name, then continue. Here I click the continue. Verification phone number. Ads need verify. I have entered. They have sent code to verify. Just it sent a few minutes. Let's I verify it and then continue. Thank you very much. See you next video lecture.